Hello and welcome to Feature Friday with the Right Choice Group at Keller Williams Realty. I'm Barbie Johnson and today we are featuring Flourish Studio and Classroom on Main Street here in Lafayette, Indiana. Flourish Studio and Classroom is a locally owned business offering art, education, and creative fun to all ages. The mission here is to encourage and promote art through a process-focused environment of creative learning and discovery, which allows for a bigger experience. The studio owner was vigilant in making sure art was still provided during the pandemic lockdown. Late nights of putting orders together, restocking inventory, and rescheduling events, she hustled through and came through for her customers. Flourish Studio and Classroom opened their doors in 2018 and have been building up a presence in our community ever since. It truly is a child's delight here and an adult's escape. So what are you waiting for? Support this local business and enjoy seeing your children light up or fill that creative need inside yourself. Check them out on Facebook or their website, flourishstudioandclassroom.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video brought to you by the Right Choice Group at Keller Williams Realty.